Good day guys, this is the parallel parking that some of you fear so much, but you don't have to fear this so much. We'll have two chances of completing this in your test. So you'll get one from the left, so this will be the left side, and of course your vehicle will be standing here, and what will happen is you will go in K53 way. Of course, use your markers, and if you're not using markers and you're confident in what you're doing, you can actually park it without using any markers. Okay, so that's the one from the left hand side, and of course your K53 checks when you get out of the parking bay as well. Okay, now your next one will be the one to the right, and that's where the one there, the car will be standing of course away from the poles with the nose of the vehicle that way, and you're going to go out to your right hand side. K53 checks again coming in, and of course you can use markers or you can do it by yourself. This just depends how confident you are, and of course you need to be inside of those poles without hitting one, without rolling forward, without mounting the curb. Touching the curb is still fine, but mounting the curb, that's the problem. Okay, so that is your parallel parking.